Hello, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and this is Chips.
Hi. And birthday cake.
And well, then if they can't see you, birthday cake. And that's birthday cake. And we are bringing you the Silly Pops Silicone soap mold. It's 100% FDA LFGB approved silicone. So here it is, right here. And this is the soap mold. And let's see, it's 6 different ornaments, BPA free, 12 cavities in one set. And let's see, it's the key features are home soap making, safe material, plenty of users, easy to use, and best gift idea. So let's look at it, shall we? The thing that I like about this, let me get this off without killing it. The thing that I like about this is that it has designs inside. I hope you can see them. There's 2 of them, by the way. And each one has a different design on the inside. Can you see them? The designs inside on the bottom. And then the purple one has also designs. And you can probably see that a little bit better because it's darker. All has design. This one I really, really like. This half moon one right here. So that when you make the soap, it'll come up with a design. So I'm going to use this, and actually what I'm going to do, because they're going on vacation next week for Easter vacation, they'll be here a little bit more, so I'll be able to make some soap with them. So I'm going to tell you all about it again. This is the Silly Pops soap making stuff, soap making cavities, and let me see if there's anything else you need to know. Well, before you should wash it in warm soapy water. So this is really good. I'll have all the stuff in the comment section. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.